Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Amazon Vine program. First, understand that Vine is an exclusive, invitation-only community for Amazon's most trusted reviewers, known as Vine Voices. You cannot simply apply to join. Instead, Amazon identifies and invites customers who consistently write high-quality, helpful reviews. To increase your chances, focus on crafting detailed, balanced product reviews that genuinely assist other shoppers, maintaining a strong and consistent reviewer profile over time. As a Vine Voice, you will gain access to a dedicated portal showcasing various products available for review, ranging from electronics to home goods. You can browse these items and request ones that genuinely interest you, keeping in mind there's a limit to how many products you can have outstanding at any given time, often around 3 or 4. New items are added regularly, so make it a habit to check your portal frequently for exciting opportunities that align with your interests. The core of the Vine program is providing valuable feedback, so focus on writing comprehensive and truthful reviews. Describe the product's strengths and weaknesses, its functionality, and your overall experience using it. Incorporate clear, well-lit photos or even short video clips to visually demonstrate the item, helping other shoppers make informed decisions. Always maintain an objective tone and ensure your review follows all of Amazon's community guidelines, refraining from any personal attacks or irrelevant comments. To remain a valued Vine Voice, you must consistently review a high percentage of the products you request, generally above an 80% completion rate. It's crucial to submit your reviews in a timely manner, ideally within about 30 days of receiving an item. Neglecting to review products or repeatedly violating Amazon's review guidelines can unfortunately result in your removal from the program. Regularly monitoring your Vine dashboard will help you stay on track with your review rate and overall program standing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.